Hello, Dr. Lissour. My name is Donald Cunningham, and I want to just share some information with you that can greatly impact your business. I want to show you three things you can do today that will bring more customers to your business. I shot this video because I have found that by giving people, business owners, educational information that they can use and things they can do to impact their business, many times they will ask for my help. So if you like what you heard and feel that you would like my help, give me a call at the end of this video. Or if not, you can take the information I provided for you and do it on your own. Either one works for me. But the first thing I want to say though is that your website, I don't know if you're aware of this, but your website is not secured. And that would be something you might want to take care of. And then also, I found your website on the fourth page of a Google search. Now, it's been found that 91% of searchers will stay on the first page when they do a search. So that means there's only 9% of searchers go past the first page and would find your website. Okay, let's talk about the three things. Okay, the three things that I wanted to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. Okay, I have your website up here, and as far as content, you don't have much content on your home page. Now, for Google to rank you, you should have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words on your home page, including the right keywords, but also you want to have some pictures as well. Okay, now this is the website of your competitor. They were found on the first page of the Google search. Let's take a look. They have words and pictures on their website, and you can also have words behind the pictures on your website. Now they have 905 keyword wide words on their homepage, which is still less than the 1,500. But you could do. Okay, now this is a little tool that I use called Hrefs, and what it shows me when we're talking about keywords, it shows me the behind the scenes data that Google it looks at when it's ranking a website. Now, as far as keywords, now this is your competitor. Now they're being found for 24 keywords. And if I click on here, it shows me the keywords that they're being found for. So the first one is chiropractor for a volume of 600 searches in a month, and then chiropractor Mesa for 150 searches in a month. Okay, now this is your site in Ahrefs, and as you can see here, there's no organic search keywords that you're being found for. So the first thing you need to do is you want to have a minimum of 1,500 words on your website. But also, you want to include keywords that your competitor is being found for as well. Okay, now here are the results of a Google search. You can see here at the top, this is what we call an organic listing over here. And at the top where you see sponsored, that means that a sponsor is paying Google to list this site at the top. And over on this side, we have what we call um, our map section or map pack. Now, the second thing I wanted to go over is citations. A citation is your business name address, and phone number listed across directories and directories across the internet. So, and here's an example here. This is what you see here. You have your name. You come down here, you have your address and phone number. And this is what's found on the Google Map app. So when I mention online directories, I'm talking about directories like Yelp, uh, Face, Facebook, YouTube, BBB, and so on. Now, the name, address, and phone number we also call a NAP. So what you want to do is have your NAP listed in more directories than your competitor. Now I have a tool that I use called Bright Local, and it'll show me what directories that your competitor is listed in, and we can go actually match his listings and add more, and even add more, which will give you more relevance than your competitor. Okay, now the third thing I wanted to talk to you about is backlinks. Now, backlink is when one website links back to another website, and the website that is linked to gives that website more authority. It's like a popularity contest. The more backlinks you have linking to your site gives your site more relevance as far as Google is concerned, and it gives you more authority. Okay, now this is an overview of your competitor in Ahrefs. Now it shows they have 27 backlinks linking back to their site. So if I click here, it shows me the actual sites that are linking back to their site. So what we could do here is we could actually have these same sites linking back to your site if you don't have them linking back to your site already. But in addition to that, we can get even more backlinks linking back to your site, which will give you more authority over them as far as Google's ranking is concerned. So that's it in a nutshell. So again, we talked about um, content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 words on your home page, but you also want to include the right keywords. But then we talked about citations. You want to have your citations listed in 200 to 300 directories to beat out your competition online. And then we talked about backlinks. You want to have more backlinks, which is going to give your site more authority when Google is doing a ranking. So as I said before, you can take this information that I provided and do these things on your own. Or if you would like help doing it, you can give me a call at 714-473-0269. Again, my name is Don Cunningham at 714-473-0269. Thank you for watching this video, and you have a good day.